that suicide is a complex form of behavior which has biological, psychological, as well as social causes. We will begin our program today with a song which is presented by the instructors of Standard 11.
बचपन से रूठकर जवानी निकल रही है, बड़े बड़े सपने देखने में गुजर रही है, छुपाकर शायद अंधेरा ला रही है, सुबह को सुलाने कहाँ जा रही है। बचपन से लड़कपन के सड़कों को हमसे नपवा रही है या उल्टे कदम सबको बहका रही है। कभी पहली बार स्कूल जाने में डर लगता था, आज हर रास्ता खुद ही चुनते हैं। कभी मम्मी पापा की हर बात सच्ची लगती थी, आज उन्हीं से झूठ बोलते हैं। एक दिन टेंशन का मीनिंग माँ से पूछना पड़ता था और आज टेंशन सोलमेट लगता है। सच है, जिंदगी ने बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया, न जाने भगवान ने हमको इतना जल्दी बड़ा क्यों बना दिया।
न कोई रात है न कोई दिन यहाँ, क्या ये अंधेरा है कि सिर्फ है धुआं। आंखें धोखा खाती है ये किसको पता नहीं, जाने क्या है यहाँ और जाने यहाँ क्या नहीं, है ये माया।
हम खुशी की चाह में हर खुशी से दूर हो गए, हम खुशी की चाह में हर खुशी से दूर हो गए। ढूंढने चले थे बाकी सी पलकों में चैन का वो जो ख्वाब था, ना हमें एहसास था दर्द का वो सैलाब था। झूठे सपनों के लिए हम भटके कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढने चले थे। ढूंढने चले थे जिंदगी, जिंदगी से दूर हो गए, जिंदगी से दूर हो गए।
तू ना थकेगा कभी, तू ना थमेगा कभी, तू ना मुड़ेगा कभी। कर शपथ, कर शपथ, कर शपथ। अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है। अश्रु श्वेत रक्त से लथपथ, लथपथ, लथपथ। अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी, भटके हुए ही सही। गुमराह तो आखिर वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं।
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा। अब है सामने, इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा। खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा।
दिलों में अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों की तरह आजाद रहना सीखो। तुम एक दरिया की लहरों की तरह बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से मिलो, तुम खोले अपनी बाहें। हर एक पल एक नया समा देखे ये निगाहें। जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम।
Hi guys.
Hi.
So finally we are back.
Yeah. Guys, first day. And means
Ragging.
let's look out for first break.
Hey you.
Yes, भैया.
Fresher.
Yeah, भैया.
भैया.
Call us sir, dear.
Sir. Hey, hello.
Talk to us decently. Remember, we are your seniors.
Okay, bro. Give respect and take respect. Got it? Hey guys, acting smart, huh?
But we are smarter, right boys?
Yes.
Let him salute all the seniors throughout the day.
Let him start with us.
Why? Why will you do so?
Sorry, sir. I will do as you say.
Leave now. Look who's coming, guys.
Hey, stop! So what do we make him do today?
What about polishing our shoes? Just be your limits.
Hey! Who asked you to intervene between? Wanna join in?
Do you perceive yourself as the godfather of the school?
Hey, I think you desperately need a good thrashing from me. As you wish, I will show you your actual position.
Jacket, man.
Good morning, children. I have some complaints against you. I never expected this from you people. You being seniors should know your limits. You are big enough to differentiate between what's right and what's not. You three are suspended for this week. You have let me down.
Sorry, ma'am.
Leave.
Who is at fault? Is it the ex-students who racked the present seniors and made them do the same thing to the juniors, or they themselves?
Immediately after this, the seniors were rusticated from the school. Let's see what happens next.
Hi guys. John. What's going on? Hi Somadeep. What happened, man? Help! We need. What happened to this, Gaurav? Why isn't anybody talking to me?
Manav had come with a hope. His hopes get shattered. He gets no response from his friends. What might be the reason? Were they scared that the same thing might happen with them? Was Manav right in doing so? Is suicide the only solution to get rid of all your problems? No, my dear friends. suicide is not the only solution. Once you choose hope, you will find a solution. The pessimist finds difficulty in every opportunity, but the optimist finds opportunity in every difficulty. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect, before which all the obstacles vanish. Think about the beauty which is in and around you. Speak out your heart to your loved ones. Then you will definitely find a solution.
I don't have words to express. In such a short period of time, you have made such a grand program. Although the theme is very serious, but then I'm happy at the understanding that you have given the concept suicide. That is, of course, very unfortunate. And we all are aware of the fact that this has become prevalent in the society. According to World Health Organization, 1 million people in the world commit suicide. And out of that, 58% are the group of people from the age 14 to 25. This is really very serious. Well, there is no problem that does not have a solution. As I can read here, that silence kills, talk with your friends today. Yes. If you go into that silence or you observe somebody who is withdrawn, who has taken life so seriously or has stopped interacting with people, stopped interacting with the parents, with their friends, that means this is a signal that something is wrong with that person. My dear children and my dear teachers, if you come across such situations, such people, please talk to them and make them talk to you. You know, when we talk to each other, so many problems are solved. Be it in the class or at home or in the playground, off the playground, within the school premises, outside the school. Talking is very necessary. And suicide is not the solution to any problem, as we have seen. The first item that song, Khuda hai aas-paas. So God is there with all of us. Give me sunshine. You have asked God to give you sunshine. Children, sunshine is always there around us. It is for us to be receptive. Be receptive. How can you be receptive to that sunshine? How can you be aware of the fact that Khuda aas-paas hai? It is through your attitude, your positive attitude, which is a vital important of your personality. Attitude is, you know what is attitude? What attitude is what you feel, how you feel about yourself. Positive thinking, positive attitude. Of course, it has the other side also, negative attitude, negative thinking. Do away with all the negativity. Don't talk negative things. Don't listen to also. One of the psychologists has said to keep away from negative people. Well, this is not easy, because if you keep away from negative people, then how are you going to solve their problems? But negativity should not be absorbed. Instead, it should make this effort